quick video for you today on how to install a single cabinet that is surrounded by walls. So toe kick doesn't quite fit in. Put on some tape both to keep from marring the surface and to control tear out a little bit. Just cut it down with a handsaw so I don't have to walk all the way outside and use a chop saw. Mark on the hardboard. This cabinet's going straight onto the floors are finished. So I'm just going to cut away the hardboard and set it back down. Tape off the hardboard. Set the cabinet in place, kind of see where everything lies. Push it over to one side and then measure to make sure that my fillers are actually going to fit. So I take the cabinet out, start pre-drilling my pilot holes and countersinks for the fillers. Put the cabinet back in place, and then actually, since these fillers are MDF, they split really easily, so I actually put the MDF in place and then drill pilot holes into the MDF as well before I drill the filler into place. So then, normally we'd level off the toe kick, but since these are finished floors, we're gonna level in between the cabinet and the toe kick. So I'm just checking for level, left and right, front and back. Okay, I ended up having to put one shim in the bottom of the front right. Now I put some tape against the filler, and this is my thingamajig scribe tool. You can see the tape didn't really work out very well here, but still left a mark. Can't really see it very well, but enough of a mark for me to scribe this filler down so it fits tight up against the wall. Put the filler back into place, shove the cabinet over. You can see it's a nice, even though it's dark, nice tight line. Won't even need to be caulked. Checking for studs, going to screw the cabinet into place. So moving on to the fillers on the other side, since I can't move the cabinet from here, I use the Cabinet Master install jigs. They set the filler 3/4 of an inch out of the way, and then you can mark your scribe line. Leave my scribe mark, go outside, cut it on the table saw, drilling my countersinks and pilot holes, set it back in place, easy peasy. Break off my shim. There's a little bit of haggard in there, so I ended up sawing it off, and that's it. I didn't think I had the doors that day, but there's a quick run through on how to install a single cabinet in between two walls.